This product, Icy Hot No Mess 16% Topical Liquid Dermatological Irritants-Counter-Irritant Formulations, has various uses depending on the brand. It can be used to treat minor muscle and joint aches and pains, such as arthritis, backache, and sprains. It can also help relieve itching and skin irritation from sunburn, insect bites, or minor scrapes. The active ingredient, menthol, works as a counter-irritant by causing the skin to feel cool and then warm. For optimal results, apply a thin layer to the affected area up to 3 to 4 times daily, and it's best to use it when you experience pain or irritation. When using this medication, be sure to follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, consult your pharmacist. This medication is for use on the skin only and should be applied to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day. If using the cream, gel, or liquid, rub in gently and thoroughly. Be sure to wash your hands after applying, unless you are using it to treat the hands. Avoid getting the medication in your eyes, nose, or mouth, and do not apply to serious burns or deep wounds. It's important to check the label for ingredients and to consult your doctor if your condition does not improve or gets worse. If you experience redness, warmth, or irritation at the application site, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. However, many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. If you notice any blistering or swelling at the application site, or increased or unusual pain, stop using the medication and contact your doctor immediately. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Icy Hot No Mess 16% topical liquid, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you are allergic to menthol or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, only use this medication when clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known if this medication passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Always follow the recommended daily dosage and consider applying this medication at the optimal timing as advised by your healthcare provider. When using Icy Hot No Mess 16% Topical Liquid Dermatological Irritants-Counter-Irritant Formulations, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's essential not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Icy Hot No Mess 16% Topical Liquid Dermatological Irritants-Counter-Irritant Formulations. As always, consult your healthcare professional for personalized guidance on your specific medication regimen. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. U.S. residents can reach their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and Canadian residents can contact a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all your regular medical appointments and checkups. This will help ensure that you are getting the most out of your Icy Hot No Mess 16% Topical Liquid Dermatological Irritants-Counter-Irritant Formulations. It's important to follow your doctor's recommendations and instructions for the best results. If you forget to use this product at your usual time, you can use it as soon as you remember. However, if it's close to your next scheduled dose, it's better to just wait and use it then. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Just continue with your regular schedule. It's important to store this medication at room temperature. Different brands may have different storage needs, so make sure to check the product package for specific instructions or ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. When this product is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal methods. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.